Hello everyone. The Democratic Alliance has told the African National Congress that their deal is off if it does not get the cabinet positions it wants. The original cabinet offer included the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Competition. The DA is now angry with Ramaphosa's decision to replace the DTIC with the Ministry of Tourism and reduce the number of deputy ministers offered from 7 to 6. According to News 24, John Steenhuisen, the DA leader, had agreed to Ramaphosa's offer of 6 ministries, including the DTIC, but the change angered the DA's leadership. They agreed that Ramaphosa's new offer is not acceptable. Ramaphosa was elected president 2 weeks ago with the support of the DA members of parliament. The DA also backed ANC's candidates for Speaker in Parliament and Chairperson of the National Council of Provinces and supported the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal when the IFP proposed to offering the ANC fewer seats in the provincial executive. The ANC has looked at plans to only include the IFP, PA, PAC and GOOD without the DA in the cabinet. However, this will not give the ANC a majority in the National Assembly. The ANC will need support from other parties to pass legislation, including the budget. Ramaphosa will also be vulnerable to motions of no confidence. On Wednesday, the ANC said its offer to the DA was final and Ramaphosa and the ANC are eager to announce the final cabinet soon. That's a take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.